Hello. Did you ever wonder to yourself, I wonder what is the difference between selling my house for sale by owner and selling the house with an agent? What's the difference in the work? What's the difference in my expense? Just what's the general difference between the two? That's what I'm getting ready to tell you about. I'm getting ready to introduce you to an article. My name is Don Martin. I'm with thereasonablerealtor.com, thereasonablerealtor.com. I want to invite you to go and see thereasonablerealtor.com. It's a website. I'm going to put the link right down here in the comments section. I would like for you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll give you a bunch of information about your house. But the main thing, I have taken and compared the the effort you have to put forth to sell your own house versus to sell with an agent. And then I've put in there the difference in the amount that you're going to pay an agent versus the amount that you are going to not pay an agent if you sell it yourself. So this is actually called for sale by owner versus an agent. I've laid it out fairly clearly in the article. I do invite you to go again to thereasonablerealtor.com and go to the for sale by owner versus agent. The link is down below here. I look forward to seeing you, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow here on this YouTube channel. Thanks.